follow her on Instagram. Baby, introduce to Brooke your Instagram. Ayan, show it to her. Ayan, Brooke, this is my daughter, Brooke.
Oh.
Ayan, she's a foreigner. Okay.
At the band Hot Stepmom.
On Instagram.
Meow, 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 meow.
Baby la.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, Brooke, follow her on Instagram. The band Hot Stepmom. Say it again, baby loves.
Just put it in your chat.
Okay.
Oh, you can't type in your own chat?
No, I can type over here.
Oh.
I can type over. Asan sa si Brooke? I'm mad to stuck in my head now. Ha 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 ha. Okay, love that you girl. Ha ha ha. Baby, she likes you. Okay, Brooke. Brooke, this is her the band Hot Stepmom. Follow her on Instagram. The band Hot Stepmom, her band. I am Brooke. Follow her on Instagram. Ayan. Ayan, thank you, Brooke. Ayan. Ayan, pare ko, thank you so much. So, ayan yung band niya, Brooke. Ayan, Christian Therapist, Dampol Watch. Ayan, Kuya Adolfo, thank you, ha. Lablag Kapitbahay, USA. Teka, sino ba nilablab ko dyan? Si Gina Choco ba to? Ayan, Gina Choco, watch your videos, ha. As a lesbian with a girlfriend, I don't want to follow a beautiful lady like that. No, that's her band. Not only her, just only her band. The music. Ayan. Pare ko ay Kapitbahay USA. I'm here to your house, ha. Ayan, Bong Kaye, megam shout out. Love na Kapitbahay USA. Ayan, pare ko, andito ako sa ano mo. Pangtanghalian ni pare ko. Andito ako, mga kapitbahay. Para lang ako nakadapa dito. Di mga kapitbahay. Teka muna, yung baby ko pala. Teka, ipapakita ko na yung baby ko sa daddy niya, ha. Kasi may dumating ng allotment from the Philippines. Ayan, mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Papakita ko na nga yung baby ko, mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Bong Kaye, sis. Ayan pa. Kapitbahay, hello. Ayan, Lux Kay, kapitbahay, kumusta ka? Lux Kay, I miss you. Ano ka ba, ang tagal mong hindi nagpakita? Nagkaroon na ako ng anak. O, tinan mo. Ayan. Ayan, pare ko, dito ako sa bahay mo, ha? Ayan. Ayan. Fran, LJ, megam shout out. Andito ako sa bahay mo. Fran JA official, megam shout out. Ayan, Brooke is scared. Brooke, don't be scary. This is my baby. Ayan. Fran Jen A, megam shout out. Akala ko totoo. Bong Kaye, o, diba? Ayan, Fran J.A. official, thank you so much, ha. Love na Kapitbahay USA. Ayan, dito ako sa bahay mo, watching your videos. Ayan, look, Sky, video lang ako sa live mo, minsan, ha, ha, ha. O, ganun ba? Nakikita mo ba? Updated ka ba sa ano ka? Ayan, ayan, baby. Your baby. Yes, this is my baby. Oh, yes. Her name is, Olivia. It's been a while I didn't show her because the dad didn't give me allotment. So now, I received the allotment from her dad. So, say hi to your dad. Hello, Dad. Where are you? Are you still sleeping? Thank you for the allotment. Now, I have a milk. Ayan. Ang cute. Oy, look, Sky. Ang tatay nito from the Philippines. May umangkin. Kasi yung asawa kong Amerikano, ayaw tanggapin tatay niya, ha. Ayaw ng asawa kong panagutan tong bata na to. Ayaw, kala ko totoo. O, diba? Lola Motes, magami shout out. Ayan. Uy, akala ko, tulog na. Yan. Ate Neng, wala na. May na-receive na kaming allotment from the dad. O, diba? From the Philippines. So, papakita ko na to sa tatay niya. O, diba? Pambihira ka. Si Luke Sky, parang si Kagawa.